How to write a business plan for a cabinet manufacturing business? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would do your marketing competition analysis, define your products and services, your sales, marketing, and operation plans. Then you open up an Excel file, write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Only then you can start writing, editing, and polishing your business plan. And this would usually take you between a week and a month. And to be honest, it can be a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan done faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have your plan ready in the next 1 hour. I'm talking about a full-blown, detailed, 40 pages long business plan done within the hour. Not days, not weeks, hours. It's better quality because AI guides you through the planning process to make sure you don't miss anything important. It will suggest improvements and it will write your plan in a perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it's an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write your business plan, go to modeliks.com right now and have your plan ready in the next hour. Enjoy planning, and for more information, look at the description of this video.